The Cadence Slate integration is a bidirectional integration that allows you to import contact data along with additional data points from Slate into the Cadence platform. Additionally, it allows you to export certain pieces of information from Cadence to Slate, such as text message activity, changes in opt-out status, and undelivered message reports. The integration leverages the Slate SFTP along with a Slate SFTP user that you can configure in your Slate instance. After the initial configuration, custom fields can be set up and managed in Cadence. Imports occur based on Slate queries that you can set up and configure in your Slate instance. When a file is dropped to the Slate SFTP server, Cadence can connect with Slate and retrieve that file to automatically import the data in it. Configuring the import itself in Cadence is very easy, simply by mapping the column headers in your Slate file to the corresponding fields that you'd like the data stored in Cadence. Changes in opt-out status can be pushed to Slate, and I'll explain that in just a moment. Here we see the area where you can configure the synchronization on the opt-out preference between the two systems. Contacts can be imported into Cadence as either opted in or opted out. Changes to their texting preference that occur in Cadence can be pushed to Slate and can update their Slate contact record. Fields can easily be mapped in Cadence on a simple one-to-one mapping basis. An automatic daily import can be scheduled at your desired time in order for the Slate data to be imported and updated in Cadence. Full logging and monitoring is available in Cadence. One way to monitor what has been happening with the Slate integration is to set up an email notification to yourself or additional individuals to be notified when a Slate import runs and what the status or results of that import were. Additionally, an import history is provided in the Cadence platform showing you the last 15 days worth of imports and what the results of those imports were. Error logging is also available in Cadence. As mentioned previously, some information can be automatically exported to Slate through this integration. The key piece of information available is the message activity export. This contains all of the individual incoming and outgoing text messages and conversations that have been occurring in Cadence. These are sent to Slate automatically through the SFTP and are backed up on Slate records in the form of interactions. You can set a daily automatic export time or manually trigger an export throughout the day. Opt-out changes can also be sent to Slate and used to update texting preferences stored on the contact record in Slate. As with the message activity report, this will occur at a daily export time that you set, or optionally, you can manually push these changes to Slate at any time throughout the day. Lastly, we offer a delivery failure or delivery issue export. This export will tell you if any text messages went undelivered that day and what caused the delivery issue. This is helpful in identifying bad phone numbers and other issues that may happen as your team is texting with contacts. Cadence provides full documentation to help you configure this integration. This is included with your contract in the form of a guide that is intended to be followed in a linear way. The guide includes tips for configuring things on the Slate side, as well as all the technical details you'll need in order to fill in the configuration screens provided in Cadence. Let us know if you have any additional technical questions, and we'll be happy to provide further information about this integration.